Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about 5 advantages and disadvantages of wearing a sari. But before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss another update from us. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Here are 5 advantages of wearing a sari. Point number 1. Nice adaptability to any figure. Point number 2. It is more comfortable. Point number 3. You can drap it in a lot of ways. Point number 4. It is an attention grabber attire. And point number 5. You can wear it in both formal and informal ways. Having said that, let's press on to the 5 disadvantages of wearing a sari. Point number 1. It takes time to wear a sari. Point number 2. It is not suitable to wear in summer. Point number 3. It is uncomfortable to work in the kitchen while wearing a sari. Point number 4. It requires extra care in washing and laundry while wearing a sari. Point number 5. It may catch fire easily while wearing a sari. So these were some advantages and disadvantages of wearing a sari. You can know about some best fashion tips by clicking on the link below in the video description. I hope you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by now. If not yet subscribed, then kindly click on the subscribe button below the video and press the bell icon. I hope the merits and demerits of wearing a sari are very clear to you. I will meet you next time. Till then, bye.